everybody, Jessica here with Tinkerbell Diaper Service. We get a lot of questions about our wipes service, so let's talk about wipes today. These are our cloth wipes. Here's a sample of what we send. They come dry, and you can personalize your order according to how many wipes you go through per week, which is nice. And you just throw them right in the diaper pail with the diapers. So it's a really easy way for you to make less trash, and they're super easy to use. So let's show you what works for us. We use something called Baby Bits here. This is a bottle of our pre-mixed Baby Bits solution, and we like to kind of pre-wet wipes and have them in a wipes bag. So let's break it down. Here's our Baby Bits. These are in our shop. I really like this product. It's all the ingredients are organic, really natural. It's an eco-friendly company, and you'll feel really good putting this stuff on your baby, which is so important. So this box lasts for at least 6 months. It wets 1,000 wipes. And this is what a little Baby Bit looks like. So you'll just take one of these guys and you'll pop it in a bottle. We also carry the bottles, but you can use any reusable bottle. And then you can just fill it up with some warm water. You can do it right from the tap, but this makes a better video. All right, so you'll shake it around and end up getting this pre-mixed solution. And then we just take the solution and we put a pile of wipes in a wipes bag and we pre-wet them. And then they're easy to carry around everywhere. So let's talk about the wipes bags. We also carry these. We have 2 super cute patterns, and these are just perfect for wipes because it's got this zipper in the center, and they're made with the polyurethane laminate material, which keeps everything dry, and yeah, they're a lightweight, easy way to carry wipes around with you. So those are all the different pieces for what makes cloth wipes super easy to add to your service.